All right, this is after the flood. Pump's been running all night long and all day. The water that was right here beside the house, it's gone. Pretty dry. It's a little muddy right down here, but all of this was about 8 inches of water yesterday. All over there was water, and now you just got a little bit right there. Still some there, still some out there, but not half as deep. And what was right up next to the house is completely gone. A little bit left up under the house, or up under the shed, but not that much. But seems to be doing its job, pulling the water off. Still got quite a bit of water back that way, but hopefully this drain tile will pull it down to the sub pump, and that seems to be doing its job.